Ahoy there! Opening day at Mission Bay Yacht Club 2019. On the East Coast, it signals the first day of the year that the waters are open for boating. On the West Coast, it's the first day of the year that we get out and drink some beer, hoist our signal flags on the boats for decoration, enter our boats in Best in Show to see who keeps their boat the nicest at the club. There's always a few regattas, and the famous Mission Bay Shrimp Run.
Opening day is the best day of the year!
Arr.
I declare that the bay is safe for navigation.
We're gonna go on a shrimp run.
Shrimp Run!
The shrimp run. The shrimp run.
Go. The birdie race. They're gonna round the mark, come back, and have to run up the beach and take the birdie from the Commodore Yacht Club.